On April 18, 1906, at 5:12 a.m., a massive quake struck San Francisco, registering at magnitude 7.9. As buildings collapsed, gas lines ruptured, igniting fires that raged for days. Thousands were left homeless, and emergency services struggled to keep order amidst the chaos. In just under a minute, approximately 3,000 lives were lost, and thousands of homes were destroyed, marking it as one of the deadliest earthquakes in American history. The aftermath led to significant changes in building codes and disaster preparedness, shaping how cities worldwide responded to natural disasters and safeguarding against future calamities.